everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. For today's look, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look right here. And this look is using a brand new palette from Kaleidos called the Sashimi City palette. And I absolutely love how soft and how beautiful and vibrant this look turned out. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So this is what the palette looks like right here. I have been obsessed with Kaleidos packaging. Their packaging is seriously some of the most stunning packaging that I've ever seen in my life, honestly. And I'm not even being dramatic. I get so much PR, but their packaging is absolutely stunning. So I have a lot of their palettes. I love the artwork on the palettes. I think that it is phenomenal. So first I am just priming my eyes, and not to mention how phenomenal the packaging is. Also, the shadows are super pretty and wearable. This is a very, very wearable palette, so I wanted to get creative and create a wearable palette for you guys today. So first shade I'm going into is this one right here. I'm grabbing a big fluffy brush and I'm just going to be applying this into my crease. This is the perfect transition color, not too light, not too dark, not too orange, not too neutral. It's very right in the center. So I am winging out that outer corner, giving myself a cat eye shape. Next up, I'm grabbing my angled brush and this dark brown shadow right here in the palette, and I'm going to be applying a line of definition, focusing this on the outer half of my crease and also winging out that outer corner. And I am just kind of going right smack in the center from my lashes to my brows, and that's just kind of how I like to map mine out. We are going to be blending this line, but this is just how I like to slowly build depth in the crease. I like to be super precise, and I just find that this is the easiest way for me to personally blend this shadow out. So I'm going into the darker transition color in the palette. This is still very, very light though, very soft. So I'm grabbing a small tapered brush and I'm just really going into that shadow, and I'm just going to be going in left and right motions over top of that line. We're just literally applying this shadow directly over top of that line, not bringing it any higher. This is just going to really help us diffuse that line and give us a nice gradient. Super, super simple. Still looks very soft, but we added a little bit of depth. Then I'm grabbing my angled brush and my concealer, and I'm just carving my lid and also kind of blending that into my lid as well. Just to kind of give us a nice base for the shadows that we're going to apply over top of this next. I always like to set my concealer, so I'm setting it with some of my translucent powder with a small compact brush. And I'm going into my flat brush and this shade right here. Honestly, these metallic shades do apply better with your finger, so I would recommend using a brush to get really close to that upper crease area so that you don't mess up all that hard work that you did. But for the lid, just grab that shadow with your finger and it'll apply really pigmented, really intense. So I just use the brush to get really close to that crease. Next, I'm going into that darker transition color and my small tapered brush once again, really focusing this on that very outer corner and just dragging it into that lid to help blend those shades together, give it a little bit of dimension, still keeping this look very, very soft. And then I decided to add some glitter, so I went into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Flower Child glitter, and I applied that just to the inner half of my crease. And then for lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bella Bahama lashes. We do only have 10 of these left in stock. So if you guys want to get your hands on these, the time is now. They're only $10. And like I said before, once they're gone forever. We will not be restocking, unfortunately. And then I'm grabbing that same darker transition color, just buff that onto my lower lash line. And then I'm grabbing my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara, coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I am applying some of my Pixie by Petra Subtle Sunrise Highlight. And as always guys, I'll leave all the products linked down below in the description box so you guys can check them out if you want to. But this is the finished look right here. Thank you so much for watching. Also guys, I have been uploading to my vlog channel. I've been slacking just a little bit, but I am going to be going back to 3 uploads a week on my vlog channel. So if you guys want to see some more of like monthly favorites, more lifestyle type of stuff, I will leave that channel linked in the description box down below, and I'll also leave it linked in the end screen after this look is finished. So if you guys want to show me some support over on that channel, I would really appreciate it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!